Hello everybody and welcome to PitchDB. What I'm going to demonstrate to you in the next few minutes is how you can use PitchDB to get booked on more podcast and speaking engagements in just a few minutes. So basically PitchDB is 3 products in one. It is a simple CRM so that you don't have to spend money using Salesforce or any other type of CRM system. It is a podcast search engine and speaking engagement search engine so that you don't have to spend a bunch of time Googling each podcast or each conference that you may want to be a speaker at. And it is also an email sending platform so that you don't have to export any data out of PitchDB to send in your Gmail or your Hotmail accounts. Basically, all you do is connect the email accounts and send directly from our database. So what I'm going to do now is just basically demonstrate how PitchDB works. As you can see here, we can track all of your sending, all of your follow-ups. We can track your conversion rates, everything you would do as a conversion tracking mechanism, you can see here in PitchDB. So we can see how effective you've been pitching, all of those things, all of that data can be seen right here on the dashboard every time you log in. If you want to reach out to a podcast, let's say, for instance, you wanted to search our database of almost 100 million podcast episodes. So I would come over here, I would click on episodes, and I would search for my name. You can see we searched through 89 million podcast episodes, and what you find are the podcasts that I've been a guest on. So if I wanted to if I wanted to learn more about this podcast, I can click play here to play the episode, or I can click here to see all of the previous episodes that have been done for this podcast by Morgan. So if I click here, I would basically just add that podcast to my list. I can create and add a tag to it. And next thing you know, that podcast is on my contact list. Now, when I go to my contact list, I can see all of the people that I've either talked to in the past or want to reach out to in the future. So I'm going to look at new podcasts that I've never been on before. And I can click here, and now I can decide to reach out to that person. So I click pitch, and it's going to tell me that it's going to use one of my pitches that I have in my account. And if I click confirm, it's going to move this over into my mailbox. So now when I come over here to my mailbox, I can send a pitch directly to the event organizer, a podcaster, or conference event booker, everything. I can reach out to them directly here. So as you can see here, I click here, I can drop in one of my email templates and basically send an email, a basic pitch to the person right now. That's how easy it is to use PitchDB. You basically search using our podcast search, our event planner search, our media outlet search, or our conference search. Add that person to your contact list, as you can see here, and then click pitch to reach out to them. You can see I can sort my contact list by category. So if I want to see the conferences that I've pitched in the past or the media outlets or the episodes, all I do here is basically go to my contact list. I click on conferences, and there we go. Now I can pitch that conference again, or I can reach out, however I would like, to different media companies, to different podcasts that I've already pitched, or new podcasts that I want to pitch in the future. All I basically do is click on it, and PitchDB will allow me to reach out to that person via email and track all of that here within the system. The last thing I want to show you here is how you can put in your own templates, and you can decide to reach out directly to podcasters as you see fit in less than 2 minutes to send a pitch. So if you wanted to pitch 10 podcasters or 10 event planners, it literally would take you under a half hour to find the person, add them to your contact list, and reach out to them via PitchDB. Thank you. Look forward to having you as one of our customers. Be sure to check out our lifetime accounts down below, where you can pay one time and have access to PitchDB and all of our data for the rest of your life. Thank you. Bye-bye.